Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a QR code to Shopify receipts. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to add a QR code, you can simply add an integration. That could be done from this top bar. Click on here and search in here for QR code and basically let's just type in here bill as well. So I'm going to search that in Shopify App Store, and you can see we have various different type of Shopify bill pay and QR code generator. You can incorporate these onto your account, and these are going to be creating some QR codes. If you want to add them on your receipts, you can simply head over to your Shopify admin, and from there you can see we have our shipping labels, or in the products you can see basically you can modify the QR code in here and apply them onto your receipts. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.